Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we'll be exploring more input types and features that make forms even more powerful. Stick around because I have some cool examples for you to try out, and I'll be giving you a challenge to test out your skills at the end. Sounds good? Let's get started. Let's take a look at some of the more interesting input types you can add to your forms. The date input, for selecting dates easily. This creates a date picker, making it simple for users to choose a date. Color input, to let users select a color from a color picker, right next to the favorite color label. It's a fun one. Try it out and see the color picker in action. The range slider, for selecting a value within a range, like volume level. Just click and drag. Notice how you can specify the minimum and maximum values. Next, let's look at the different elements that can be used in forms. Select menus. A select menu provides users with a list of options. Each option is wrapped in an option tag. Now the user can choose a fruit from the drop-down list. Text area. A text area is used for longer text input, like comments or messages. You can set the number of rows and columns to control the size. This creates a multi-line text input area where users can type more information. Now it's your turn. Try and create this: a date picker, a color picker, and a text area. Good luck. Great job today. You have learned more input elements like a date picker, a color picker, range slider, and form elements like select menu and text area. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!